Are you done? Mm-hmm. Stop, okay? There's a microphone. They'll be able
Turn your hat just a little bit. I still see that white patch. That was Velcro. There you go.
Can I see your head real quick? No, I want to see that bump. Let me see it. Please. Yeah, let me see your bump.
Here's my bump.
Okay, that's probably enough to chop. And I'll chop these for you probably.
Thanks.
It does hurt? Hold on.
Because these are a pain to chop.
Thanks. I'm doing call racing.
Leo, do you want some pistachios?
Pistachios? What are those? Oh, no. Oh, I like those. That's because you ate them when you were in Mama's belly. Leo, those are the shells. Maybe they aren't.
What are you doing? You just need to pick up one and take it out of the shell.
Hey, Mom, if you want some pistachios, you might have to get in here. I'm down.
Do we have enough for
Ooh. Oh, yeah.
dinner?
Even though I only shelled 5 and 820. Come on, hurry up. There's only like 10 more left.
Oh, really? We go through the whole bag?
Pistachios. Hope you didn't want dinner again.
Okay, so we're gonna you can cut those, and you're gonna add them to that. 2 scallions. You know how to cut your cucumber, right?
Yes, I do.
You're gonna cut the lime in half.
Yes, I do.
Squeeze it into that bowl.
Yes.
On top of the lemon, on top of the scallions and cucumber.
Yes.
And then when you're done with the lime, just set it right here on the table. Then you're gonna add 4 tablespoons of mint. Well, it'll be all of this, and you can measure out 4 tablespoons of pistachios.
Not the rest.
Okay. So that's gonna be your
Oh, yeah.
mix. And then we're going to add and the last thing you add is, actually I guess we don't add this. We add this to taste at the very end.
We do?
Yeah. This chili sauce. Because it's a little spicy, so you're going to add a tablespoon. You add a tablespoon to it.
Should I try a little or too hot?
It's not that hot. It's kind of got a sweetness to it, in fact.
Okay, you're lying, aren't you?
No.
It's going to be the same thing as the buttermilk, isn't it?
No. It actually has a sweetness to it. First ingredient is sugar.
Wait, let me see your finger. Okay.
Not bad. It's hot. So you're only going to add a tablespoon of that. Okay? So you ready? You know what you're going to do? Hot? A little bit hot, so we're going to only have 1 tablespoon of that. Okay? And then after you get done adding that, you need a spoon.
Leo, you don't want to try this, but go ahead.
And you're going to stir everything up inside that bowl. And when you get to that,
Yummy.
okay? You ready? Are you ready?
If Leo can...
Okay, give me a 3, 2, 1, and you're ready to go.
Up on the stool. 3, 2, 1. Welcome back. We now have our vegetable mix. We have our cucumber to cut up, our 2 scallions to cut up. We have mint, pistachios, and our lime. What we're going to go ahead and start out with is we're going to start with cutting up our scallions. You're going to take a finger length, about 2 inches, of the scallion off. Then you're going to go ahead and take the ends off. No one wants to eat ends of scallions. Then you're going to do the same thing along the way, all the way up to the very end. Now, we're going to take our onions and kind of put them in a little stack right here, a little bundle. Then we're going to chop these up like this. Kind of like rocking the knife along. Make sure that everyone's chopped up, ready to be eaten. And so now we are going to chop up our cucumber after we put these in our nice big mixing bowl. Now this is half a cucumber. Now you're going to cut this in half. Then
Stop. Okay, you got your fingers. That's not a good spot to do your fingers. Okay. No, that's okay. But once you move, you got halfway through here, and you went down here to get yourself out. Okay. Hold it. Just keep your hand above that knife. Okay. Do that all you want to. Okay. There you go. 3, 2, 1 again. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Now we are going to cut this in half. Cut this in half. And then you're going to do the same thing with this. Like that. Like that. And now we're done. Then we're going to take these and cut them up one last time. Just to make sure that they are nice and thin. Like this. And it's always quicker to cut them 2 at a time. Please don't put your fingers when I'm cutting. Always easier to cut them 2 or 3 at a time. Make sure that everything is cut nicely. Like that. And then these last 2. And so, now we are going to put all these into our nice big mixing bowl. And then we are going to take our 4 tablespoons of mint and dump it in. Now we are going to Now we are going to take 4
and add this cucumbers to the scallions
of pistachios
and mint, because you've already added the mint also.
3, 2, 1. Now we are going to dump our sliced cucumbers into our mint and scallion. Get that one last guy out. Doesn't seem to want to be eaten. Set that off to the side. Now we are going to take our 4 tablespoons of pistachios. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, we just seem to need a little bit more, and we're going to scrape all that in. Set that off to the side. Now we are going to take our lime, and we need to cut this in half so we can squeeze some lime juice into our mix. Lime does not want to be cut. Cut. Help.
Here, come here. Hold it like that. Hold that lime like that. Hold the lime like this. Nope. Hand on top. And then go 3, 2, 1. Okay? Wait a sec.
3, 2, 1. Now we have our nice half of our lime, and we are going to squeeze this in. Nice. Try to get all the juice out. And now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of our very hot chili sauce. Now we only add 1 tablespoon of this because it is very hot, but then at the same time, very sweet. Now, I'm gonna set that off to the side. And here we have our vegetable mix. I like
3, 2, you gotta count me on 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. We are going to cook our rice noodles. I prefer the so mein rice noodles. They're actually made out of rice. They come in pretty cute bundles. I would like to use 2. 3, 2, 1. Come on. I have just finished plating my father's plate. As
Hey,
you
can't do that again. You don't care about your father's plate. This is a cooking show.
3, 2, 1. I've just finished plating the very first plate. As you can see, I've made the noodles go from wide to small. I've kind of tried to do that the exact opposite way with the vegetable mix, but it's actually become sort of hard. I will put our nice lime right on top, and there you have your nice plating. This is gonna be our dinner, our rice noodles, chicken, lime, and vegetable mix. Come on, turn off the camera. Can't get my hair on my hat. Mixy, mixy. Okay, it's fine. Dad, can you see my funny face? Stop. Well, we're waiting on him now.
You ready?
No. Making faces.